Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the dual time zone mode on your Marathon ADANAC GPD general purpose digital watch. Now this is one of the things on this watch that I think they could have done a little bit better job on, but it gets the job done. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'll show you the only complaint I've got here in a second on it. Now I'm in my main timekeeping mode here. You can see my date up here, my day of the week, my date at the bottom, and then in the middle here we have our current time. What if you wanted to say the second time zone? Maybe you've got family who live somewhere else. Maybe you're going to be traveling and you want to be able to reference a different time. That's what this feature is for. We can simply press the mode button a couple of times. First time will take us to our alarm mode. Second time will be our chronograph. Third time will be our timer. And then the fourth time you press mode, it'll take you to a screen that says T2. That is your second time zone mode. You can see it's showing me in the middle here my time in my second time zone. Where I was saying that this feature is a little bit lacking, or I think they could have done better, is I wish at the bottom they would show you your current time zone in smaller font like they do on the timer mode. I think it would have been nice to be able to reference what time is it in my second time zone and what time is it currently in my first time zone. But unfortunately they didn't do that. Not a whole lot to this screen other than referencing the second time zone that you've got set. If you want to change that, you can simply, while you're in this mode, press and hold the mode button. After a couple of seconds, you'll see your minutes start blinking. You can use the start button to move the minutes up. Use the reset button to move them down. Once you've got your minutes set, press the mode button again, and you can adjust the hours. It's very easy. You don't have to go reference any kind of city codes or do any kind of stuff like that. If you want to set the time zone in a different area, you just have to figure out what the current time is there. Go set it here, and that'll make you'll reference this whenever you do it. Once you've got it set the way you want, you can either do nothing. After a minute, it will save and time you out, or you can press and hold the mode button, and you've successfully set your dual time zone. Once you're done viewing this, you can simply press the mode button. It'll take you back to your regular time zone, and that's how we view the dual time zone mode on the Marathon ADANAC watch. As like most things on this watch, there's not a whole lot of bells and whistles, but it gets the job done, gives you a quick reference if you need to look at a different time zone. I hope the video helps.